Our new HēLi bath line features plant-derived formulas made exclusively for pure romance. The bath line is paraben, sugar, gluten, and fragrance-free. HēLi Conditioning Shave Cream, made with squalene, an ingredient that comes from olives. It's a popular hydrating ingredient that does not irritate the skin. Formulated with phytic acid. It's an antioxidant that is known to help protect skin from aging. HēLi Hydrating Body Oil, infused with moisturizing sunflower seed and tocopherol. Both ingredients contain antioxidant and vitamin E. Marula oil is an anti-inflammatory that is fast absorbing. Moringa seed oil is a lighter oil that contains antioxidants. Coconut oil is ultra hydrating and it's naturally rich in vitamin E and A. HēLi Nourishing Body Lotion. It's an aloe-based formula. Aloe contains antioxidants and vitamin A and C. Jojoba seed oil is hydrating and helps the body naturally regenerate skin cells. This formula contains hydrating panthenol, a provitamin of B5. HēLi Shower Gel and Bubble Bath. Formulated with aloe, which is an anti-inflammatory and a skin soother. Marigold flower reduces pain and swelling. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant. And calming lavender, it helps reduce redness. Every product in our Healthy Living HēLi collection is inspired by nature.